Fine lines everywhere? Skin losing its bounce? No worries. Virtue Divine Premium Thread Lifting, Under-Eye Collagen Booster, and PLLA Booster are here to turn back the clock. Let's get into it. First up, Virtue Divine. This game-changing treatment combines RF and microneedling to tighten skin, boost collagen, and refine texture. Unlike regular microneedling, it uses 36 gold-plated needles with RF energy for deeper collagen stimulation, minus the irritation. Deep mode takes it even further, tackling sagging skin, enlarged pores, and fine lines. The result? A smoother, firmer, and radiant glow. After your session, you may notice some redness, but don't worry, it fades within 2 days. Just follow these simple aftercare steps. Use a gentle moisturizer every day. Apply SPF 30+ for protection. Avoid hot baths, saunas, and harsh skincare products. Next, let's talk about premium thread lifting. If you want an instant, natural-looking lift without surgery, this is the perfect treatment for you. We use Korean FDA-approved PDO threads to contour and lift the face while keeping results ultra-natural. Stay tuned for her stunning before and after transformation. Not only does it provide an immediate lifting effect, but these threads also stimulate collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful for months. And the best part? Minimal downtime. To ensure long-lasting results, here are a few aftercare tips. Apply ice packs to reduce swelling. Skip intense workouts and saunas for 2 weeks. Lastly, say goodbye to tired, hollow under eyes and smooth out smile lines with the Under-Eye Collagen Booster and PLLA Booster. This treatment deeply stimulates collagen production, gradually restoring lost volume in key areas like the cheeks, smile lines, and under eyes, leaving the skin firmer, smoother, and naturally youthful over time, all without surgery. For an extra collagen boost, the PLLA Booster takes skin rejuvenation to the next level. It stimulates deep collagen production, gradually restoring lost volume in areas like the cheeks, smile lines, and under eyes, making your skin firmer, smoother, and naturally youthful over time. When combined, these treatments amplify each other's effects, lifting, plumping, and brightening the skin for a naturally refreshed and youthful look. Ready to enhance your beauty? Visit Amoa 640 Skin Clinic for expert treatments tailored just for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty and skincare insights. See you in the next video.